Hey Facebook and YouTube, it's Mike with the Cleaning Monkey. Randy and I are out here in Sun City cleaning for long-time repeat customers Don and Judy, and wanted to put this little video together and remind you of a few highlights. We use all natural cleaning agents and we speed dry our carpets so you're not looking at a long dry time. We'd love to show you our work. So you can visit our website, thecleaningmonkey.com. You can see all of our videos on there. Also, I have a YouTube channel if you search The Cleaning Monkey on YouTube.
Is on both of those?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Can I film you getting up on the chair, Bridget? Yeah?
My claim to fame is we just beat ASU the other day. Hey, Bridget.
I don't like these.
Let's go. Come on, Bridget. Oh, good girl. Very nice. Yeah,
You can rub my belly anytime. She's hysterical.
she is. Well, are you happy with the job,
Love it.
Judy?
Love it. I
All
love
right.
that work. The
That rug came out
dirty
nice.
this one came out beautiful.
Yeah, oh, and that traffic area. Let's go
Yeah.
take a peek.
It did. It came out beautiful.
I'll get a little clip of that.
It came out very well.
There it is.
You
Yeah,
wouldn't even know it was a traffic area.
very nice.
It's her traffic area.
Now Bridget can and do the inspection. Did we do a good job, Bridget?
She says, I'm drinking. I don't care.
All right. So Randy's a keeper.
He's a keeper.
All right. Randy, you're in, brother.
Fill me up and I can get you paid and.
All right.
that.
I'll pull that up.